Hello guys, welcome to my channel Pant Gupta, and today I am going to start with the history, and the chapter name is the French Revolution, and the topic is the MCQs between the chapter. In this video I will tell you, and I think it might be helpful for you. So let's get started. So our first question is, on which of the following day did the storming of the Bastille occur? So it is given on your first page of the first chapter, and the answer is the A, that is the 14th July 1789. Then our second question is, what did the Bastille symbolize? So that is the B, despotic power of the king. Third answer is 18th century French society was divided into the three classes, and the answer is C. Which of the following constituted the privileged class? So the classes which have the privileges were the clergy and the nobility. So the answer is D. Then is the question number 5th. The most important of the privilege enjoyed by the clergy and nobility, that they did not have to pay the tax. So the answer is D, exemption from paying the tax to the state. Sixth is, which of the following believed social position must depend upon the merit? So that was the middle class. When the middle class emerged in the late 18th century, they gave that the status of the person should be not on the birth but on the merit. Then is the seventh, society based on freedom, equal laws and opportunities was advocated by whom? So that was advocated by the philosophers such as the John Locke and Rousseau. So the answer is C. Then is the eighth question, which of the following refuted the doctrine of divine and absolute right? So that this policy was given by the John Locke. So the answer is A. Who advocated the government based on the social contract? So that the answer is the Rousseau. So not the Rousseau. Answer is not the Rousseau. It is Montesquieu. And then the 10th question is, division of power with the government was put forth in. So the answer is C. Le Monetaire Universal. Question number 11, who was the king of France at the time of the revolution? So the king of the France was Louis XVI. Question number 12, political body of France. State General was the political body of the France. So the answer is D. Then the 13th question, voting in the State General was conducted on the principle of States General. The State General was last convinced in 1614. Answer number B. Then is the 15th question, where did the third state form and announce the National Assembly? Indoor tennis court, A option. Question number 16, members of the third state were led by. So they were led by the Mirabeau and Abbesius. Question number 17, which of the following was the main objective of the Constitution of the 1791? So the main objective was they had to limit the power of the monarch. So the answer number D is the correct, establish a constitutional monarchy. Question number 18, a broken chain symbolized. So it is on the page number 12 there are the symbols on the page number 12 and 13. This question is from that, and the answer is act of becoming free, D. Then is the question number 19, to bring to woman personified. This question is also from the DAT page, and its answer is C, personification of law. Question number 20, bundle of rods or faces symbolized. ये भी उसमें से ही है, और its answer is the strength lies in the unity. Which of the following symbolized eternity? So its answer is snake beating its tail to form a ring. Question number 22, which of the following were the national colors of the France during the so the answer is blue, white and red. So the question number from 18 to 22 are from your DAT page only. Question number 3, national anthem of France. So that is the Marseillaise, and it was written by the Roger de l'Isle. Question number 24, members of the Jacobin Club were known as the Sans-Culottes. Answer number D. 25th question is, France on the 21st September 19 1792 was declared as the republic. D answer. 26. Which of the following was the factor in the rise of the Napoleon? Political instability of the director. C answer. 27th question. French legacy of the world. So that is the liberty, freedom and equality. So answer is D. 28. In the context of the France, the volunteers from the Marseillaise sang the Marseillaise, a patriotic song, when they marched into the Paris. Who composed this song? So as I told you earlier, so it was written by the Robert de l'Isle. Question number 29. What did the red cap worn by the sans-culottes in the France symbolize? That is, the answer is the liberty. Then is 30th question. Which of the following refers to the political body representing the three states of the pre-revolutionary France? And the answer is the State General. That is the C option. The word guillotine during the French Revolution era refers to beheading a person. That is the A option. And 32 is the French Revolution took place on the July 14, 1789. A option. On what charges was Louis XVI guillotined? Treason. B option. And the 34th question is the text called the Tithe was collected from the French peasants by the church. A option. And the 35th question, why was the subsistence crisis caused in the France? Because there was increase in the population, and the demand of the food grains increased, so the option number C is correct. Then the 36th and the last is the Bastille was hated by all in the France because it stood for the despotic power of the king. So these were the 36 MCQs which I tried to share with you. So if you get any of the help, so please like the video and subscribe my channel, share it with your friends, or after subscribing tap on the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I post any updates. So thank you, and see you again very